Legends, here we go. We've got another in-cab coming at ya. Mowing through these gears. I've got about 20 odd ton on the back here in concrete. So we'll get moving, eh? Alright, we'll get moving. We'll pull out of this servo. We're on the flat ground. About 20 ton of concrete on this trailer, as I said, going off the paperwork. We're not going up any big hills. We're not 240 ton road train out the fucking Pilbara, crossing the Nullarbor with 9 trailers, whatever you blokes in the comments reckon. I've got 1 trailer, 20 ton worth of product on it, 430 horsepower, we're on flat ground, and I'm gonna go through the gears. Enjoy the sights and sounds of this old girl, and let's go. Alright, I got this point down. Hopefully you can see my feet. I might use the clutch pedal to just turn the Jake on and off. Maybe I don't. You'll be able to see me rolling into it. It's quite straightforward, guys. It's not rocket science. Get that in the comments. If I turn my lights off, everything moves. So we're under 100 degrees, so don't stress. I'm not worried, don't you worry. Just cruise along is all we need to do. No touching. This is low gear, this is not first gear for the people carrying on in the comments. This is not first gear, it's low gear, bog cog, crawler, whatever you want to call it. Turn that Jake off. Into the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Appreciate all the good comments and the bad comments. It's just people telling us what they know. We can't get upset at them. We can't, and we're not going to go along with it either. So if I think it's wrong, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. or if you're just taking the piss, I'm gonna have a bit of a feedback with you. Like we're not here to just get shat on. We're out here doing our thing. Fucking loving it. Guys, just a quick send off to finish this video up. Thank you everyone, appreciate all the help, all the support, all the messages, all the love, all the likes, all the comments and shares, and it really means a lot. The good, the bad, the ugly, doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's only pushing it up in all the algorithms because people are commenting on it, liking it, all the rest of it. So you really do me a favour. So thank you. Thank you for all of your words. I appreciate it. But at the end of the day, it's not that serious. If anyone's after any help, tips, tricks, whatever, anything to do with driving, I'll help you as best I can really, but I'm not a driving instructor. I'm not a preacher. This is not gospel going on in here. It's just me driving my truck. So thank you to the people that get it. Fuck off to the people that don't. Like whatever. I don't know what you guys want. But anyway, thank you to everyone. I appreciate it. Enjoy.